Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to have a quick teardown, and I have this Honda PCV valve that is featured in 05 and up Hondas. It's not a whole lot to it. We're just going to basically cut it in half and see what's inside here. This video should honestly be a couple minutes of that. So before we go ahead and begin, like always, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below. Definitely smash the like button because it helps the channel out. And let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open. So we are on the bench, and I basically just took my cut wheel to this and I scored it one way and I scored it the other way. We cut our head off here. Let's see if we can just pry this open, see what surprises are in here. Now I'm gonna just take a flathead screwdriver, and it looks like we do have some things in here. Now I did kind of melt the plastic, so this stuff may be melted, but you can also see that this is pretty gummed up in here. So on one half of the case, we can see we have some oil residue in there, and inside of here it looks like we have a valve, which, let me see if I can get this part opened up here. Yeah, there's not going to be a whole lot to this, but I think all this is basically, or used to be, a spring and this little plunger. So that's basically it, guys. We just had a spring that looks like I deformed the crap out of it when I cut it, and it has a little insert like a little plunger. So basically what's going on in here is this thing is basically moving in and out here like a needle, and when that moves in, it allows the air or the vapors to come in and escape through this hole, and then it gets plumbed to where it needs to go. So basically our inlet is that end right here, and then pushes the plunger, air can escape out, and that's pretty much as basic as these can get. Now I'm sure this spring is not a heavy spring. I mean, I kind of melted the crap out of this, but you can see just a plunger and what almost looks like a spring that you would typically find on your pen, you know, in the little clicker style pens. So not a whole lot in here. Basically the pressure, when it builds up, we'll just kind of push this back. Now this has the same exact design as a regular PCV valve. The reason why they fail is when a lot of stuff gets in there and a lot of oil buildup, it'll kind of cake it, and it'll cause the plunger to not move back and forth, releasing the pressure, therefore causing that issue, or they could get stuck fully open, causing a vacuum leak. So that's pretty much it. I knew this was going to be pretty quick, simple, and easy, but that's what we have inside of our PCV valve. Hopefully everyone enjoyed it. I know this video is very short and very brief, but at least we all got to see what's in there. So like always, if you enjoyed this content, comment, like, and subscribe because it definitely helps the channel grow. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on the next video.